everyone, welcome to my channel. Hopefully you can see my head and this light is not blowing me out. We're out here today. There's a freaking snowstorm going on. I'm gonna take the Swellpro SplashDrone 4 out to fly it in a snowstorm because it can fly in anything. It can fly in winds, it can fly over water, on water, the camera could go underwater. It's totally waterproof. So I thought, hey, this is perfect. Let's just take it out here. Now, the problem is the roads aren't cleared. Come on, 4x4, don't let me down. Look at these snow drifts on the left. Holy cow. Hopefully my hat cam picks that up. Holy cow, look at the snow drifts right there. Can my hat cam even pick that up? Wow, those are pretty high. I will say that's the great thing about having a Jeep 4x4, and that's why I have one with a pickup truck, so I can throw all my YouTube stuff in to go to places. And this Jeep Gladiator Mojave goes through the snow like stink, no problem. So you can see up front, there's a few vehicles that went ahead of me. There's probably maybe about a foot of snow right now, so we can drive through it, no problem. But the snow is supposed to carry on for the rest of the day. So let me get to my spot and we'll go fly our SplashDrone 4. Here we go. All right, let's take this baby out and plop it down over here with the camera facing a little bit away from the snow. I'm going to power this on so it gets the GPS signal early. Go, we should see the little gimbal-y thing moving. I guess I should power on the controller next. Okay, let's power this baby on. I should have put you on first. Ooh, it's just the snow is driving me up the wall. Okay, make sure all my switches are correct. That's correct, and I'm in GPS mode, all good. This here is gonna get the satellite. So I'm just gonna plop you down there in the snow. Now the props, take the snow off of them clockwise. I have to find a motor that says clockwise, that says counterclockwise, so this is clockwise. Push that on and lock it in place. There we go, she's locked. And these are all my checks I do with drones. Make sure everything's a-okay. The antennas are in the right position. The battery's on. Lots of battery power. All right, so this beast is just getting the GPS. It's ready to fly. I guess I need a phone. Oh crap, it's in the car. Hang on a sec. No, found the phone. It's right here in my pocket. Make sure if you have a phone that it's waterproof. This is an iPhone 11 Pro Max. It is waterproof, except if you ever touch a phone that has wet snow on it or water, it doesn't react properly. So I have my little pointer thing here. Connect you to that. We're all good. Let's go to the Pro drones. You know, I should have wore my glasses. I can't see a frickin' thing. The SD fly, that's the one you want. Oh, before I do SD fly, hang on a second. I have to connect to the Wi-Fi. So go Wi-Fi. Oh, it should be connected automatically, so it's good. All right, so we're good. Log in. And I should see what the camera sees. There we are. So it's pretty much all good to go, except I have no glasses on, so I can't read what it says for satellites. Let me go grab my glasses. All right, we're back with glasses. Oh, I got snow all over this thing. So let's see where we're at. 10 satellites is good. That's good. So let me see what it says on the display down here. Yeah, this has got GPS. That's got GPS. We're ready to fly. Let's see if I can play with the EV. The EV setting's too low for this exposure here. All right, so the EV setting, when it's dull like this and snow, it gets messed up on drones like this. So I'm just going to crank it to like 0.3, 0.4. I'll put it at 0.7. Sometimes you can go as high as 1, but I'll put it at 0.7. It just helps a little bit, brightens things up so it's not so dull looking. All right, so that's good. That looks a little bit better. All right, it's more realistic. Okay, so we can fly. There we go, joysticks down and in. We are flopping, and let's take it on up in the snow. So I'm facing a little bit away from the snow. I'm gonna go into the snow, to all those snow huts. There we go. Take it up above everything. It's very noisy. Very noisy indeed. She's up there in the snowstorm. We'll bring the gimbal down. There's a car coming, going through the snow. Check him out. Hey, car. He's probably wondering, what is this guy doing? All right. Higher it is, the less noisy it is to the humans below. Give it back, and you can see me down here. I'm the yellow dot down here, moving in a circle. All right, here we go. Here is our little drone flying in a snowstorm, going forward. So out here, what I'm flying towards, over the trees and everything, these are all the ice huts of people ice fishing. I don't know how many people are in them at the moment, but yeah, they can come out here, nice and warm, put a fire on inside, and do their ice fishing. Woohoo, that wind is cold. So I'm gonna stay off to the side of them in case this thing comes thundering out of the sky. There we go, I'm just getting shots of them as I fly on an angle. There's our big fish that I always filmed down there. Now the cool thing with this camera is I can look left or right without yawing the drone. So let me go to the right and show you. So there's right. Oh, hang on, there we go. My fingers are full of snow. So look at that. I'm looking right, but the drone is not turning. And look at everything we see. Well, there's part of the leg hovering in the air right there. So if you have this drone, you could fly in any type of weather you want. It could be rain, it could be wind, it could be anything. And have a lot of blast. I'm flying right into the weather right now, the snow and everything, and all the snow coming down, so I don't know what that's doing to the actual lens. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring it on back, because this was just a short video to show you can fly this out, because I am getting cold. Let's come back. I'll go over the huts this time. Go on that side. There we go. Woohoo! All right, we're bringing it back, and there she is. I'll see if my little GoPro on my head can see it. So I'm going to keep staring at it just to show you it flying here. So it is pretty visible with that orange color. It probably just looks like a big blob in the sky right now, but there it is coming. Going up, 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 up. There she is, baby. I'm gonna bring it over here. Oh, look what I look forward. You could just see those ice huts going for miles and miles and miles away out there. Look at that, way back there. That is incredible. Holy crap. I'm not flying all the way up there. All right, the snow is coming down too fast now. Bring her down. I tell you, if this thing was ever lost, you'd never lose it. Because A, you can hear it for miles. Put it over there. All right. So there I am. It's looking at me, coming down. Here, I'll see if I can keep the camera on me as we go down. Okay, so let's put it over here so the GoPro can get it. Yes. Plop it right over in the snow. There we go. I did that just for the camera aspect of it, just to show this thing is totally waterproof and snowproof. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So now we take this beast and everything is full of snow, but it doesn't matter because it's totally waterproof. All right, guys, this was just a fun video to take the Swellpro SplashDrone 4 out in the snow, because a lot of people ask me, can you fly it in the snow? Which, yes, you can fly it in the water, you can land in water, so you can fly out in snowy weather as well. It's not a big deal. All right, I'm gonna put links below to where you can find this baby. Everything's waterproof, even my phone, to an extent, except for this little spot where you put your USB connector in. That you gotta keep dry, but everything else is good. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.